Do yourself and your accountant a favor. Go buy yourself a stamp. One other practice that I recommend is when you have an accountant and he's entering in invoices or he's entering in your bank accounts for reconciliation, do yourself and your accountant a favor. Go buy yourself a stamp from Staples. These are pre-made stamps as an option. It says enter. It has a whole bunch of options: approved, entered, received, and it also has a date. So if you pick the option entered and you stamp it once, it says entered and the date it was entered. So when you have an accountant, just give him that stamp. It's like $23.99. I have like 6 of them around in the office. So stamp it and make the accountant initial it. The trick is always have it on the top right corner. So when you're going through your files very quickly and you're just, with your finger on the top, you see exactly what invoice was entered at what date.